Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your portfolio management with Wells Fargo, complete guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your portfolio management with Wells Fargo, start by visiting their official website. Create an account or log into your existing Wells Fargo online banking account. Navigate to the Investment Services section. Explore the various portfolio management tools available. Familiarize yourself with the Wells Fargo investment plan. Assess your current investment strategy and financial goals. Consider speaking with a financial advisor for personalized advice. Use the risk assessment tools provided on the platform. Review the various investment options Wells Fargo offers, including stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Analyze your existing portfolio for diversification and performance. Make adjustments based on your financial objectives and market trends. Utilize the rebalancing tools to maintain your desired asset allocation. Stay updated with market news and investment insights through Wells Fargo's resources. Schedule regular check-ins with your financial advisor to stay on track. Leverage tax optimization strategies to enhance your portfolio's performance. Monitor your portfolio's performance regularly using the Wells Fargo dashboard. Adjust your investment strategy as needed based on performance metrics. Engage with educational resources to deepen your understanding of investment opportunities. Consider setting up alerts for market changes or significant portfolio updates. Review your portfolio at least annually to ensure it aligns with your goals. By following these steps, you can effectively upgrade your portfolio management with Wells Fargo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.